Bedroq VMS Gateway. Secure, remote access and control of third-party CCTV. Bedroq VMS Gateway is a combination of hardware and managed service that is compatible with any camera or CCTV system. It's specifically designed to be easily integrated into your existing surveillance systems. VMS Gateway gives users a means of accessing live feeds, remote playback, and full pan, tilt, and zoom control of a third-party CCTV system. Here's a simplified version of how our VMS Gateway solution works. Let's say you want to access multiple third-party CCTV systems from your central control room. For example, these cameras could be part of a sports stadium, a local council's public space, a transport network, or even a retail business. So, we install a Bedroq VMS Gateway in each of the third-party systems. Through a VPN and use of next-generation firewalls and end-to-end encryption, it then sends the video feeds to your network. And from there, you can access the feeds on any of your usual Force-issued devices, as well as your video wall. When you partner with Bedroq, you get more than just the technology, from installation and management to 24/7 monitoring and custom alerts. Additionally, Bedroq VMS Gateway can be hosted in our own UK-based data center. Our solution relies on having the correct data sharing agreements in place. It's the client's responsibility to instigate these discussions, then we'll be on hand to support you with securing the agreement. So what does this really mean for you? Simply put, Bedroq VMS Gateway will allow your teams to access more footage, cover more angles, and continue making safer cities. By reducing travel time to third-party sites, we're able to speed up investigations, saving you time and money, we'll enable you to maximize your coverage throughout your jurisdiction, and we'll handle the technology, so your teams can keep doing what they do best. Bedroq VMS Gateway. Maximizing coverage to find crucial evidence.